The morning biryani. Yes, we can call this aloo pulao as the morning biryani because the process is almost similar to biryani and just we are replacing with aloo instead of chicken is what I am assuming it. Let's get cooking and then we'll see the process how to do it. Aloo pulao. Hello everyone, welcome to FoodsMemory channel. I am your VJPG DJ. Please make a note of all the ingredients which I am showing it in the video. These are all very important. Don't even leave even a single ingredients. Right from the cinnamon cloves to coriander. And our chef is adding something extra. What it is? It's a cloves only. Yeah. Whatever the ingredients is shown in the video, let's make masala first. This is the base masala. Okay, this is what it gives the main taste along with the fry, for which we have added tomato, green chili, coriander, and onion. And let's grind it. And even before grinding, don't forget to add a little bit of water because without that, grind it or you won't get the paste. Yeah, which you should be doing it, but still, I'm telling you. Okay, let's add for the grinder, do a half grind and then we will add the powders which is required, like turmeric and coriander powder. And then we will do an grinding. So then you'll see the differences in the color before powder and after powder. And here for the pulao, we have soaked rice and then now we have taken it dried green peas which was soaked overnight, which I was not able to shoot because I had a tight schedule. Sorry for that, but please make a note that dried green peas should be soaked for this aloo pulao. This is the one which is one of the main ingredients along with the aloo which gives the taste for us. Now let's start frying it first. The process begins now. So add oil and then our bay leaf or biryani leaf or pulao leaf, whatever it has been called. So let's add that leaf and then mustard seeds and let it spurt it, and then we will add the curry leaves. What's happening? Oh, nice. Okay, this is a nice way to present the curry leaves. I like this, chef. Thumbs up to you for a wonderful demonstration. And let's add green chilies and onions. Green chilies here we have just added two, just to split it. Just because we will be giving it for the kids also, right? So the number of green chilies has been reduced. If you want, you can increase it. Please make a note of the leaves, the dried leaves, which I was showing you. This is the methi leaf, which is homemade again. When I say homemade, the methi leaves which we bring it, we just dry it out. So in the home only we can prepare it rather than going and find it outside rather than dried methi leaves. So you store it, dry it. It can be used for many of the items which we prepare it. So this is the one which I was talking about. So it gives a good flavor. The pulao flavor which comes out of it is one of this ingredient. And let's add the tomatoes and aloos, and we have to leave it for another 20 minutes for this. After adding masala for cooking, let it get cooked and then we will get ready to eat aloo pulao. For this aloo pulao, I wanted to understand from you people whether you like to eat with raita or chutney. What is your favorite combination for the aloo pulao? Okay, there are three options for people. One, option A has a raita, option B has a chutney, or option C, no combination. You will directly like to eat as is. So please comment it and then let's take a poll and then understand what is the best combination for this aloo pulao. Don't forget it to comment it, friends. Otherwise, I'll be guessing that whichever the combination I eat with the pulao is the best one. So prove me wrong, or let's do the pulao. Now you have seen it. We have added the rice, soaked rice, and then we have left it for cooking. It is getting cooked. I can Sense the smell. Very tasty and looks delicious. So let's make that dum for 5 or 4 minutes, and then we will top it with half lemon juice. Are you not seeing the same kind of process for the biryani which we used to do it? No, not exactly. There is a variation, but I'm trying to call this as a morning biryani. Shall we rename this as a morning biryani instead of an aloo pul? Is it a good idea or no? Okay, you can do that also by giving it a thumbs up or thumbs down for this video, whether the aloo pulao can be renamed as a morning biryani. Guys, I'm looking for your thumbs up or thumbs down. Let's see how many of you do it thumbs up for this new idea. Let's renovate or reinvent the wheel. Let's do it something. Okay, now our aloo pulao is getting ready. Even I'm getting ready to uh, eat it. Hungry. It's early morning, 7 o'clock. Come, guys, let's eat and enjoy it. Hope you two people will enjoy the same. If yes, so like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. See ya.